Anybody there?
Action 7 News. I'm Brian Williamson. There's a new dance grave sweeping the nation. More on that later. Our top story today. There was a murder on campus last night. The police say they don't have any suspects at the moment.
We don't have any suspects at the moment?
The killer left behind a candy wrapper and a jigsaw puzzle at the crime scene. Wait, really? So he just left a jigsaw puzzle at the crime scene? Okay. The killer is also believed to be targeting women between the ages of 20 and 25. So if you're a woman between the ages of 20 and 25, be careful out there. For everybody else, go out and enjoy the lovely day. We'll see you tomorrow.
Okay. Clearly, the killer left behind this wrapper and this puzzle.
Well, obviously this candy wrapper is useless. What we need to do is solve the puzzle.
Wait, why do we need to solve this puzzle?
Because if we solve the killer's puzzle, then we'll know how the killer thinks.
That makes perfect sense.
Of course it does. Let's get started.
Action 7 News. There's been another murder on campus, and this time, the killer is targeting handsome young black men. Wait, does this mean I'm in danger here? Oh, okay. The police are telling people not to panic.
We're telling people not to panic.
This time around, the killer left behind an energy drink can and a footprint. Okay, wait. So do we have like security in this building? Because there's a killer out there. No, don't tell me to calm down, Janice. My life is in danger here. Did you hear that? Okay, that's it. I'm out of here.
It's taking forever. We'll never figure this out in time to stop the next murder.
Don't give up on me now, partner. We're gonna figure this out.
There's like 500 pieces here. I mean, what kind of psycho does this for fun?
Listen to me. Our fate lives within us. You only have to be brave enough to see it.
What does that even mean?
Yeah, I don't know. I just saw it in a Disney movie once. The killer wrote her name on the box.
Well, that was easy.
Yeah. I mean, like, her phone number, address, everything.
Well, what do we do now?
We're gonna arrest this person.
Let's go.
Good news, everybody. I'm safe. I mean, the killer has been caught. Her name is Daisy Litt, and she's a self-described eco-warrior. Our cameras caught up with her earlier to find out why she committed this crime. Why'd you kill these people?
I didn't kill them. They've been killing Mother Nature, okay? They've been littering.
Okay, that's enough.
I'm avenging Mother Nature! I'm avenging Mother Nature!
Well, that was unexpected. Another killer off the streets, meaning we can all rest easy tonight. I'm Brian Williamson. Thank you and good night. Janice, you're fired.